Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to stop receiving emails from Candy Crush Saga. To stop receiving email notification from Candy Crush Saga, the first thing you would want to do is to launch open the Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. Once you're inside this map section or once you're in the main home page, look for the gear button in pink at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you need to tap on My Account. Inside the My Account tab, you will be able to see your profile picture and other settings. To stop receiving emails from Candy Crush Saga, tap on Privacy and Security. If you have enabled email from King or Candy Crush Saga, you will notice a green toggle button enabled right next to Get Emails from King. To disable the settings, simply toggle off the button right next to it, and you will now stop receiving email notifications within Candy Crush Saga application. Now this step should help you stop receiving unwanted emails from Candy Crush Saga. So that is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.